Hope you guys are out enjoying the sunshine we saw earlier this afternoon. There's plenty more in store over the next several days. Of course, we had some kind of fun changes yesterday with the rain. First time we saw rain in 25, 26 days. And yeah, about 1/10 of an inch of rain fell here in downtown Portland. Now we're going to be going for another dry streak, so to speak, at least for the next 5-6 days or so. Out along the Oregon coast right now, tonight we're looking at a temperature of 59 degrees over in Newport. We travel inland. Yeah, we saw a little bit of some cloud cover to start off the Grand Floral Parade earlier this morning, but once those clouds cleared out, we saw some very comfortable temperatures. We topped out right around the low to mid 70s, which is basically where we should be at for this time of year. Now we're looking at a little bit more some showers, maybe a little bit some boomers with those thunderstorms rolling through just south of Mount Bachelor tonight. They're starting to really move in over into parts of eastern California. I think for the most part, the most active weather we're going to be seeing throughout our area this weekend is going to be through parts of the central and eastern side of the state tonight. Heading into tomorrow, you're going to be looking at some pretty calm conditions really across the coast, the valley, and the east side of the state. Over in Cannon Beach right now, earlier this afternoon, this place was flooded with a lot of people enjoying the beach. Right now, you're seeing a temperature of 60 degrees. As we go throughout your future cast for tonight and into tomorrow, we'll be ushering in a little bit of some more of an onshore flow, just some light cloud cover to start things off tomorrow morning. But you'll notice by lunchtime, you're going to be seeing nothing but sunshine basically throughout the coast, the valley, and along the east side of the state as well. Again, we're staying very calm throughout parts of Bend and Redmond heading into tomorrow, but a slight chance to see a return of some convection and some thunderstorms rolling in heading into late Monday afternoon and into Monday night. But all in all, we are going to be seeing some very pleasant conditions over the next several days. We saw highs in the low 70s, 74 in Troutdale. That was just a couple of hours ago, and over in Hood River, 72 degrees. In the Dalles, you saw temperatures closer to 80 degrees. And then we do have some heat on the way. That's going to be coming heading into Monday, but some models are really suggesting we'll be seeing one day of some, warm conditions, and we calm down pretty quick because I'm forecasting temperatures basically from Tuesday beyond very pleasant, right around the mid to the upper 70s. So for this time of year to see that kind of weather, I'd say that's kind of A+ kind of conditions. And going into next weekend, this model is showing a bit of a cool down, and with that cooler weather, there is a chance we could be looking at some rain. And one model I was noticing was showing a good amount of rain from Saturday into Sunday. So we'll wait and see if that happens. For the time being, though, we're going to be looking at very comfortable conditions along the coast tomorrow. Temperatures right around the mid 60s. It'll be a little bit warmer throughout the valley. I'm forecasting daytime highs about 10 degrees warmer from what we saw today, anywhere from 82 to 85 degrees. And throughout the Oregon Cascades, a bluebird day out there. You're looking at a temperature right now of 53 degrees. Tomorrow, I'm forecasting highs in the low to mid 70s. So very pleasant conditions. You're going to be doing a little camping tomorrow. And on that 7-day forecast, high tomorrow of 85 degrees, 90 on Monday, and they'll cool off pretty quick. By Tuesday and beyond, we'll be seeing temperatures in the mid to the upper 70s. We'll be right back.